Welcome back to Final Expense Telesales. My name is Dana Neeson. It has been 14 days exactly since I had to share the news with my team that we had to completely shut it down. 14 days. It has only been 2 weeks, and it has been a crazy ride over the last 2 weeks. And this coming Monday already, January 27th, I am hosting a virtual launch party where you can celebrate with me in my new agency, Empower Life Group, and the first time I will be revealing my new partnership and the direction of how I will be moving forward in this industry. The link to register the launch party is in the description below in this video. We already have over 250 people registered, and I would like to keep that count going. And whether you're attending just to celebrate and support me, or whether you're attending to learn about possible opportunities in working with me, everybody is welcome, and I am so excited for Monday. Now, with that said, the number one most requested thing that has ever been asked of me is to share my script and the objections and everything that's gone along with it. And in this transition, I will be recreating and reinventing new scripting, versions of the objections to make things more relevant to the direction of where I'm going. I'm not going to be losing the integrity of the NEPQ framework. That's all going to stay the same, but there will definitely be changes that I'm going to have to make in order for this new path to make more sense. The number one biggest request is now being granted to you today. Anybody who registers for the virtual launch party will automatically receive a copy of my script with the first 30-second objections and the end of call objections. But wait, there's more. Just by registering, yes, you will automatically receive it. However, if you actually attend, you will also be invited to a private group training where I will take a deep dive with you into the script and help walk you through each section step by step, answer your questions, and make sure that you are completely comfortable in how to execute it. So that will only be available for the people that attend the virtual launch party. If you want to register for it and you can't end up making it, or you just want to register to get the script, you are welcome to do that as well. I'm very excited to get the chance to share that with you guys and also find a way to provide additional value and give you that space to coach you. That'll probably be a 60 to 90 minute coaching call that will be offered again after the launch party to those that attended. Believe it or not, this journey has been like hitting the fast forward button in triple speed and just watching everything happen so quickly. I'm barely having a chance to keep up. So I need to go. I have to go register my business to be an LLC. I got to go open up a business checking account, get a business credit card. Yes, I decided where I was going to go before I even registered my business name. Take that as a lesson, by the way, to those who think they have to have everything perfectly set up, everything memorized, everything in place before they just get on the phones. Sometimes taking action before you are ready is one of the best things that you can do so you don't hold yourself back or get into your head or think about things in 25 different ways. Sometimes that inaction, thinking that you have to have everything perfect before you start, is the number one thing that will get in your way of finding success sooner. Thank you so much for all of your support. I'm so excited for Monday. I look forward to seeing you there, and I look forward to sharing my script with you. Have a wonderful sales day. See you soon.